the global warming is unavoidable. It is a natural effect, a result of geological reformation. The Earth's longest mountain range, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge, bisects the Atlantic Ocean for 7,000 miles. The combined volcanic activities of the ridge and several hot spots have produced the world's largest volcanic island, Iceland. As the Eurasian and African plates moves east and the North American west, the breach widens further, causing greater active volcanic effects along the ridge. As a result of the increased ocean's temperature, frozen methane found at the seabed thaw out and pops up on the atmosphere. Another incident that makes the situation serious is the ocean's currents that drive the hot seawater far away, expanding greatly. The methane is melting simultaneously at the seabed and the ocean's surface, melting the icebergs from below the seawater surface, causing a critical climate issue. The reason we had a record melting of seabed as frozen methane, Arctic glaciers and permafrost's active layer, during a solar minimum, is the expanding Mid-Atlantic ridge rift, causing excessive volcanic activity and the occasional dense, interstellar dust as friction on the surface of permafrost and Arctic ice. The difference between the Arctic and the Antarctic poles is their volcanic activity at seabed level. The South Pole has a lack of activity, because locates up on the Antarctic continent. Only the cease of the volcanic activity or man-made order can bring things back to normal. I have reason to believe that man-made order will solve the problem pretty soon. The methane is 25 times more chemically effective than carbon dioxide, and remains in the atmosphere as methane for a few decades, then after collapses to carbon dioxide for a lot more of decades, over 1,000 years, and that makes things worse, because increases dramatically the carbon dioxide levels. As of lack of a scientific explanation, people believe that the carbon dioxide's sudden increase in the atmosphere took effect because of the existing industry's contribution, and this is wrong. Carbon dioxide decays much slower than methane, and its persistent level increase by 80% is a result of methane's shatter to